Hey guys, so before I proceed with the recipe, I just want to introduce you to our new furry friend who's gonna help me with the cooking channel. His name is Alfie, and he's a 10 weeks old puppy. He's a dachshund and he is absolutely adorable, and yeah, so you'll be seeing him quite a bit. An extremely decadent vegan dessert that's made healthy, easy, and is absolutely delicious, refreshing, perfect to make on a hot day or just for a quick, easy dessert. So you're gonna need some yogurt. So I used 1 cup of vegan yogurt. You can use flavored yogurt like vanilla, but I used just plain vegan yogurt. And a tablespoon of cocoa powder or cacao powder, either way you decide. And a tablespoon of peanut butter. You can use almond butter, cashew butter, or for a nut-free version, you can use sunflower seed butter. Either way, you can use whatever you want. And just a touch of sweetener. I used a bit of maple syrup. Now mix to combine. Now we have our creamy, smooth mousse-like consistency. It's time to transfer it to a freezer-friendly bowl. Make sure you smooth the top evenly. Okay, so I've melted a couple of tablespoons of chocolate. I used semi-sweet vegan chocolate. So now what you need to do is just cover the top with some melted chocolate. After you have covered the top nicely and evenly with chocolate, it's time to take this bad boy to the freezer for about 10 minutes. Now is the best part. Now it's time to eat. It's slightly frozen at the top, just the perfect kind of crack, and it's gonna be cooling, refreshing, and I cannot wait to dig in.